Hey everybody, very good evening to all of you. Yesterday I talked about the gravitational potential energy. I talked about the gravitational force, and today we'll be defining the gravitational potential energy, right? So we know that every body is attracted by the earth with a force which is nothing but the weight of the body, right? So the potential energy possessed by a body due to this force of attraction, which the earth is, attracting, the force with which the earth is attracting the object, the potential energy possessed by the virtue of this force is called the gravitational potential energy, right? So to define this mathematically we need a reference point, right? So in physics, whenever we are dealing with the potential energy, most of the times we are calculating the change in the potential energy, we are not calculating the absolute value, right? So to calculate the absolute value we have to define a reference point, right? So for that reference point we take infinite distance. When the object is at a very far distance, we take the potential energy to be zero. The reason being, the force of the gravity, the force of this gravitational attraction force at a very far distance would be negligible, because as I told you that this force is inversely proportional to the square of the distance. So as you move away to a very large distance, that force is negligible, so we take the potential energy as a reference point at infinity to be zero, right? So now what we if we want to calculate it mathematically, what we want to do is we want to bring that object from infinite distance into the field of the earth, right? Let's say at a distance r from the center, and the work which is done by this gravitational force as you are bringing that from infinite distance into the field of the earth, that is nothing but the that is nothing but the gravitational potential energy, right? So for this we take the help of the integration, right? So this I'll explain you in the next video how we are actually calculating, but I hope the concept is clear that gravitational potential energy is nothing but the potential energy possessed due to the force of attraction of the earth. Thank you so much, have a very nice day, and please subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.